Basically, I'm on the south side of the Westminster Bridge in front of St. Thomas Hospital. So, in front of Park Plaza. On my right side is Marriott. So, here we are on Westminster Bridge. So Westminster Bridge is really iconic bridge in London. On the right side you're gonna see London Eye and other attractions, and straight on is Big-Ben, Parliament of UK. So such a beautiful view of the Parliament here. So that side, far side is Vauxhall. Here this one is St. Thomas Hospital. You can see there Park Plaza, and this side is London Eye. So we are on Westminster Bridge. As you can see, there is cycle lane as well. There's a photography going on, guys. Come and participate. So, bridal photography. Anyway, we need to continue. Westminster Bridge. So we're gonna have a beautiful view from here of the London Eye and other buildings in central London. So if you want to take Uber boat, you can come and join this boat. Okay. You want a coffee? No, thanks. Wow. Street food, hot dogs. So we are nearly approaching it. Some tricks are going on here.
Dollar money, no problem. This is no good. No. This is no good. This is good all the time.
Keep your touch.
Good brother. My mom said no picture.
What's wrong with you?
Picture me.
Yeah, I'm not making yours.
No picture, man. No Michael Jackson. No.
What's wrong?
Picture, man. No Michael Jackson. No.
Something not going good. Yeah. Guys, look, they are doing dodgy things, and as soon as you start filming them, they got gang of the people. So be advised not to participate with them, because otherwise they're gonna so literally she interrupted my camera. Anyway, so just try to avoid them. They try to mug you. So here we got UK Parliament. So There is one aeroplane going towards Heathrow Airport. I don't know if it's coming in the... You can take boat. From here is really beautiful skyline. London Eye, and backside is a tall building. You can see London Eye's Shell building, and on the night, New Year Eve, you know, they display, they have presentation on that building. So, let me continue. So we are next to Big-Ben. It's very busy around here. I need to cross the road. But I can't from here. I need to go up there then. So next to Big-Ben basically. So on my right side is Westminster Tube Station. So here is Big-Ben. And Parliament in the background. I don't know, I need to go inside someday. Okay guys, that was a trip on Westminster Bridge. You may have seen some dodgy things going on the bridge, so be aware of those. They are just going to rob you. Be careful not to do any not to fall in their tricks basically, so try to avoid them. So that's why they didn't want me to film them. Because they were scared of being identified. So come and see Westminster Bridge. So bye bye, take care, thank you.